Nurse Johnson, is the mother still in the recovery room?
Yes, Dr. Blair.
Okay, I'll go to the waiting room and inform the father and support.
I'm afraid there is no father, sir.
Another ghetto bastard.
I'm afraid so.
Put him with the rest of the horn losers.
All right, Doctor. Shame, isn't it?
Not a shame. It's a problem. Another ghetto bastard. Another ghetto bastard. Another ghetto bastard. Another ghetto bastard.
Naughty by nature.
Smooth it out. OPP, how can I explain it? I take it frame by frame it. To have y'all all jumping, shouting, saying it. O is for other, P is for people scratch a temple. The last P, well, that's not that simple. It's sorta like another way to call a cat a kitten. It's 5 little letters that are missing, yeah. How many brothers out there know just what I'm getting at? Who think it's wrong cause I was splitting and co-hitting that? Well, if you do, that's OPP and you're not down with it. But if you don't, here's your membership. Get down with OPP. Yeah, you know me. Get down with OPP. Yeah, you know me. Get down with OPP. Yeah, you know me. Who's down with OPP? Every last on me. Get down with OPP. Yeah, you know me. Get down with OPP. Yeah, you know me. Get down with OPP. Yeah, you know me. Who's down with OPP? Break it down. I live in top of hip hop, hip hop, hip hop. I live in top of hip hop, hip hop, hip hop. I live in top of hip hop. This is hip hop of today. I give props to hip hop, so hip hop parade. Hey ho, hey ho, hey ho, hey ho. Smooth it out now. Hey, hey, who can smoke a 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 split with a clip, but they're still on mountain high, you know. Oh, wide enough to touch the naughty, nappy, nasty, naughty, naughty, nappy, nasty, naughty, naughty, nappy, nasty, naughty, 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 naughty. We gotta break, we gotta bash, we gotta roll, we gotta smash, we gotta break, we gotta bash, we gotta roll, we gotta smash. Here we go, yo. Here we go now, you can hear me on the field. Here we go now, you can hear me on. You about to feel the chronicles of a bionicle lyrically spitting, dismissing. I'm on a mission of just hitting. Now it's written and kitten, hitting with mittens. I'm missing, wishing, man, listen. I glisten like sun and water while fishing. Bust the move in this word, serve words with nerve embedded. I said it, word, damn, you nerd, man, you heard. Here we go. LC homies are the craziest. New York homies are the craziest. DC homies are the craziest. Philly homies are the craziest. California homies are the craziest. Chi-town homies are the craziest. Texas homies are the craziest. Utah homies are the craziest. Some get a little and some get none. Some catch a bad one and some leave the job half done. I was one who never had and always mad. Never knew my dad, motherfucker. Well, anyway, I did pick up, flipped and clipped up, seemingly stick ups. The second had to trigger hiccups. I couldn't get a job, nappy hair was not allowed. My mother couldn't afford us, so she had to throw me out. So I can get ill and knock his ass in the left field. I'm still a body bruising master. That same old evil little bastard. Get fast and I'll cast ya. Like point, we on some old new shit. My dick is in faucet. We hit you from the bricks backed up. Like Onyx said, don't make me act up. I'm known to have a hot head. Hey, call me the Mud City Mangler. The and that young tangler. A scar strangler, boogie banger.
118 on the scene I'm representing. And if I ain't punching and thumping, I'm stumping and kicking.
Take a step back. It ain't even all that.
Catch a cap if you don't wanna brawl, Jack. Guzzle down the 40 till I'm on full. Take another hit of the jerk with a long pull. I get blitzed out of proper state of mind. With me and my clique, searching for trouble to find.
Give me mine. I tell you I'm good with D, someone to have. And that's why I'm staying with mine, get cloud and cloud. I tell you I'm good with D, someone to have. And that's why I'm staying with mine, get cloud.
Right out the alleys of Cali, not the valley, straight out the hood. It's the notorious one. Hit a quitter, skull splitter, triggers for
Spring
Inglewood.
red, quick roll toss the next click. Plug in your jugular vein and pull like rain with your neck ripped.
235 thick Inglewood, Ill-Town clip.
How the bricks try to get shot off in the mix.
Being love, child staying trues, paying dues.
Madman with 10 millimeter heaters, spraying fools and
Who
slaying
wanna
crews.
tangle? Get caught up in Daniel, you're constrained
In a fight straight, so to swing a pipe from every angle.
months plus chicken pox. Giving props to all the old school that paved the way. Plus zero, I feel no hero. You think we'll up and save the day? Hey, 3 letters describing that ass. Here's a clue. SCK, the only thing missing is you. Excuse, you've yet to lose 1 2-ton cruise. I'm doing more than leaving bruised gums. Tried ride, I wrote quiet, you never catch the trap. Cause I ain't the flap, the yap. A black alley gaps can get my back. Into that, and these scrap backs to back, wreck to rack and wreck. Next a max, fake max breaks their necks to say. I take that back and see it used to be a time to roll with shanks and friends. But nowadays we rollin' tanks with friends. That's how it go, that's how we roll past. Cause that's how I stand with mine, class to class. I'm good with these, some in the house. Cause that's how I stand with mine, cloud to cloud. I tell you I'm good with these, some in the house. Cause that's how I stand with mine, cloud to cloud.
Got a neck and face fist of the 2-man quaddy collision. Ill Town's villain that's wanted for some chillin'. Keep my material similar to a serial killer. Peeling caps, check my stacks, ain't no now here I go with the click clacks, the rats, tat, tattle pack. Packs the batter, brat packs, American out like that. Shacks is judgment day and all I see in is human beings. Got your fleeing, word to me and daddy little Steve. Straight from the top notch of hip hop. Gather round to the sound that the from the gutter notch. Kick that slang talk, explain why you can't walk. It ain't my fault you hit a flip and couldn't somersault. I'm on a rock with my on some new. Throw it with that music, won't you use it to your advantage? If you can manage the damage I'm handing when you get the mic and leave your hands branded. You're backwards ass born ass backwards, coming out feet first and getting drug into this next verse. On the contrary, I'm not your ordinary adversary. That's secondary. I leave you floating like a fucking fairy. Advancing my chances and you're retreating from the beat and you're seeking. With me and feel your fluids leaking. One time for too much tough talk. The walk and keep walking. Go I take your tongue and make you stop talking. I reach your death gate when a nigga took a step late. Jack the boy's place, he said I'm shopping the next day. Yo, tapping on a zigzag, a knack with that zigzag. Shot him in the stomach, now he's living out a act. Putting with a with 9 rounds. A rugged quaddy click from the gutters of Ill Town. This ain't no rap along, clap along. Show my shit on with more form than Jenny with her panties on. You best to get it out the way, boy. The 2 slickest to ever kick it now. Kick out, kick out.
Once again it's on. Once again it's on. Once again it's on. Put me on a planet, damn it, where all the slims it looks like Janet. Slick, consider this it, hell I lick it and infant it. Pick, rub and rent it, hell I run it, yeah I ran it. In it, ran frantic, rub the root, punani panic. Plan it as a packet, pick it and then pack it. Trick it and then track it, throw it, crack, then catch it. Quick as ricochet, rapid, quick cause it's a habit. To rap it as fast as another brother running rapid. Never call you son, who gives a damn if you mix a lot. East Coast gets the procs, producers rock your knot. Baby ain't got back, baby got black. That's why you see the black baby and you respect that. Check it out, on and on and on. Rock on, to the break of dawn, it's on. Make room for one rude boy, bad mood boy, new and old school boy. Now watch your true man take out all the school boys and don't get out of touch, cause you just get a slut with a clothes for repair sign on your nuts. Yeah, we're the thing slangers, body boom bangers, winking in your shit with a hanger. Damn real, I'm gonna live it up. Never forgive your cut on my back, watching your girl scap, give it up. I touch you where it hurts first, brutalize you with a verse, true to size my lyrics work. Think about a lost block, black stop. I rap to make a whack drop, then slap you with my backdrop. The boom bang, slap, pat, plus fat, step in my path and get that ass crack, crack. Check it out, on and on and on, rock on, to the break of dawn, it's on. Singing like the Buddha bang, hang out with a Jew crew, down with the coochie bang. Brothers come to do the same, but monkey see, monkey do, get your monkey ass plain. Individuals did original, cause of this a be critical and pickable and pitiful. I ain't with the big con heart, ripping other rhymes apart, here to spark me some hind parts. Stick to a city with some ripple, hit a bitty from the middle, hang on kitties like a crippled nipple. Check it out, on and on and on, rock on, to the break of dawn, it's on.
Once again, it's on. Put me on a planet, damn it, where all the slips, it looks like Janet. Slick, kiss it or diss it, hell I lick it and infin' it. Pick, rub it, rent it, hell I run it, yeah, I ran it, in it, ran frantic, rub the roof, punani panic. Plan it as a package, pick it, and then pack it, trick it, and then track it. Throw it back, then catch it, quick as ricochet, rabbit. Quick, cause it's a habit, to rap it as fast as another brother running rapid. Never call you sir, who gives a damn if you mix a lot. East Coast gets the rock, producers rock your nut. Baby ain't got back, baby got black. That's why you see the black baby and you respect that. Check it out, on and on and on, rock on. To the break of dawn, it's on. On and on and on. Once again, it's on. On and on and on. Once again, it's on. On and on and on. Once again, it's on. On and on and on. Big groove boy, bad move boy, new with no school boy. Now watch your true man take out all the school boys. And don't get out of touch, cause you just get a slut with a clothes for repair sign on your nuts. Yeah, where the thing slangers, body boom bangers, breaking in your shit with a hanger. Get real, I'm gonna live it up. Never forgive your cut on my back, watching your girl's gap, give it up. I touch you where it hurts first, brutalize you with a verse, true to size my lyrics work. Think about a lost block, black stop, I rap to make a whack drop, then slap you with my back drop. The boom bang, slap pat, plus fat, step in my path, they get that out to crack. Check it out, on and on and on, rock on, to the break of dawn, it's on. On and on and on, once again it's on. On and on and on, once again it's on. Nothing like the Buddha bang, hang out with a true crew, down with the Coochie bang. Brothers come to do the same, but monkey see, monkey do, get your monkey ass plain. Individuals get original, cause of this will be critical and people going pitiful. I ain't with the big con heart, ripping other rocks apart, hit a spark, me some iron part. Stick to a city with some ripple, hit a bitty from the middle, hang on kitties like a crippled nipple. Check it out, on and on and on, rock on, to the break of dawn, it's on. On and on and on, once again it's on. On and on and on, once again it's on. On and on and on, once again it's on. On and on and on, once again it's on. On and on and on, once again it's on. On and on and on, once again it's on. On and on and on, once again it's on. On and on and on, once again it's on.
You're about to feel the chronicles of a bionicle lyrically spitting, dismissing. I'm on a mission and just hitting. Now it's hitting and hitting with me. It's a mission, wishing, man, listen. I glisten like sun and water while fishing. Plus the moving is word. Serve words with nerve embedded. I said it word. Damn, you nerd, man, you heard. Coming from the talent alien, now it's a full of billies and rowdies. Suckers get silly and silly. The fountain alleys and rock. Really? So here we go. Now holla if you hear me, though. Come and feel me. Flow. Never mixing with tricking brothers, bitching over fixes that ain't fitting to be hitting for nothing. Spitting things and spitting and getting written on. You're like a flatter, boy, you're pissing me off. Boy, you even started so much, so long. See you fly by my try. How else could I say it when you play it? Try boom, bye. Here we go now. If you hear me, oh, come and feel me. Here we go now. If you hear me, oh, come and feel me. The flow broke, poetical with skills only a better, no where's the winner flow that's on point like Sesimo's manhandling new crews, partying with the crew, looking for the freaking poo-poos. I thought you knew two stone style, slamming and jamming, and while we're planning the jam, we bust with a party, amateur damages, managing damaging mics, men, and even mannequins. You're a fan again, now I wanna know who's the man. Naughty's back like vertebrae, word to hey I hope, the way I show you pray I flow. Steady breaking to the boogie, so bang time to slang bang and watch all the tang. Here we go now, if you hear me, oh, feel me flow. Here we go now, if you hear me, oh, feel me flow. Playing K, you break the body up, but beat the beat into boogie. Vermin fully chase bass lines like boys. All we wanna know is if your body wanna party, it's the food tang for everybody. So you wait up, souped up, put your dicks up, no guts set up, but sit up, flip up, watch us rip up, shake shows until they biz up, rizz up, like you're with us, and not zip up your lip up, whip up. It's what bands and foul styles get in. Once we came back cause we heard hip hop needed another anthem, black like Noah, in fact that for ya, and we was back in the days with the difference we'd have been known as the flows, revenues since the 70s, find me, so we went crazy in the 80s, so we woke his heinies in the 90s, oops the naughties, troops in sections of 40, so clap your hands and hold your shorty, I'm naughty. Here we go now, here we go, you feel me flow. Here we go now, here we go, you feel me flow. Here we go now, here we go, you feel me flow. Here we go now, here we go, you feel me flow.
My family ties, but not with Mallory. My analogy ain't for salary. As a rope, reality through galaxies. Positionaries that sit to me with the sin of weed. With a chain representing penitentiaries. For Warren Johnson, Boy Town, from north to Illtown. And all you know from life was right, cause the first one wasn't driving too fast. I was flying too low. You think I'm rocking too quick? I think you're listening too slow. I'm a rough, deconstructing a bump and assumption. You diss while your family say I'm the best shit since fucking. Fucking by an abduction of turning something to nothing from. What's it, the motion, it's the ripping every function. Fucking it up. Pumping it up, jumping the ducks, looking to hump, the suck in the trunk, pumping me up, pumping me up. Niggas are the craziest, New York niggas are the craziest, DC niggas are the craziest, Philly niggas are the craziest, LA niggas are the craziest, Chi-Town niggas are the craziest, Texas niggas are the craziest, Utah niggas are the craziest. My lyrics be laced with 40 ounces of funk and stuff. You get washed, you get bust, you call yourself calling my bluff. Enough. I'm putting it down on the real, and this one goes out to all the people who be questioning my skill. Niggas I've been rocking since League 12, and we feel that we build careers to still. So all the rest come up and test, but only stress is what you find thinking. Vinny don't fight, and Vinny can rhyme straight. The Slinkin' MC, I eat like gluten plenty. Lyrically spanking, yeah, that's why they call me Uncle Vinny. And oh yes, I just appeal to the masses. Young told folks to upper lower men through classes. They don't begin with no lying professor. They begin when men pick up the pen and pad up off the dresser. Lesser, a man should never challenge a claim with 13 years experience. So rip the mic, put in our hands. Detroit niggas are the craziest. Miami niggas are the craziest. Little Rock niggas are the craziest. Old Town niggas are the craziest. I got barbarians who will guard me in the club that guard me with. Abroad got thrown like a pawn. I've been born to get thrown abroad. A brim is both to the back. I'm falling bad from brains to fall. Once a bump in, who break the loop? Blowing the brain cells, boom like baby. Assume the same suit, fuck that fly shit with the flavor of the shot. It's like same Suzuki, but still my sidekick. Quick that high, quick if you slide, quick blood clot your blood click. You ain't rolling if I tape ain't what you ride with. Niggas smack shit, so I'm on a night tip like the youngsters about to take you on some hip hop ride shit. If you ain't jumping, then no puppet. I'm hitting Jermaine in Atlanta, cause he owe me loot for that jump shit. Fuck astronauts, I rock it. And from now on, if you bite my shit when I see you, I'm in your pocket. Cleveland niggas are the craziest. Carolina niggas are the craziest. Virginia niggas are the craziest. Kentucky niggas are the craziest. St. Louis niggas are the craziest. Atlanta niggas are the craziest. Maryland niggas are the craziest. San Diego niggas are the craziest. Seattle niggas are the craziest. Boston niggas are the craziest. Hilltown niggas are the craziest. Zoo Crew niggas are the craziest. Jersey City niggas are the craziest. All my North niggas are the craziest. Hey, you can smoke a split with a clip, but there's still no mountain pie, you know. Or wide enough to touch the naughty, nappy, nasty nigga, the nasty, flashy, whole happy, pappy. That's happy, pretty nappy. Me and Bim rock with spots and blocks and groups and troops with timber boots and jail suits. That's how I roll with my head who don't. When the real I got, and competition ain't dope. Beat your break, you broke, you smoke, and take your senior to your little group of mute. Sooner or later, you wanna flip, tell them full semi half with a dip. And all that other ring like roll shit. Sporty, naughty, hot pop, greater than nature, while I shit. Slam the flip, flam, and then jam. You can run, but you can't hide, you can't go far. No matter where you go, there you are. Right. We got it back. We got it wrong. We got it back. We got it right. We got it back. We got it wrong. We got it back. Hit a nigga till a nigga will come back. See a sucker stretch a sucker hard to match. Nothing was enough to tell a black man rap. See a 40 sucker 40, guess who's back? You're chillin' with a G, feelin' feelin'. Steppin' through the funeral, pretty folks catch feelin'. I got so many guns, call me gunner on the front and bought a fuck motherfucker South Gunner. Walking from the gutter, brain steady, every other step, ready for the big bet. I'm pretty ready. Place your set on the set, the 3-man threat. What you see is what you get.